Look, we got a boat. You don't have to do that. You don't got to do that, bro. We can use the boat.
It's deeper than we thought.
The whole lake might be only that deep. Never mind, it's fine.
It's about to be neck deep. I like what's in here.
Don't fall over. There really might be logs inside.
Hey, if the alligator just comes, just pull the rope. This was a mistake.
Yeah.
I can't breathe. I can't swim because I got a chainsaw. All right. What's plan B? I'm gonna climb up on this like that's the only way to get up here from the water. Yes, sir. I don't want nothing.
You don't even want to get paid.
Even impromptu.
If I didn't have this helmet on, I would jump into the lake.
Why is it just randomly turned on and off?
I pressed it. A little bit more. All right, put it in park. Tell him to put a little tension on it. Keep going, go, go, go. Go, go, go.
All right.
Good enough. Oh, my saw went underwater. The tree's easy to get out now. What you do is get the butt over here.
No one said stop. Let us keep going. I don't get it. This is our best rope.
Hell, I wanted to do it the way you said till I realized you can't cut it from standing on it.
Why not? You do it every single day your whole life.
One, two, three. Man, might as well pull it with a truck.
It's fine, bro. That's how you broke the rope last time. You don't want to put a stronger rope on this?
Huh?
You don't want to use a stronger rope?
Then what are we gonna do with this rope?
Tow it to the pawn shop.
All right, go forwards. Never mind, you go ahead and tie it.
Oh! Cause we got it.
We're hand pulling this log. It's easy. Well, hey, go retie it. Maybe we'll pull it out of the water. Keep going. Keep going. All right, ho! Ho, right there. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the video now, dumbass.
Fuck. You know I'm on probation.
No, I'm on probation.
On this episode of
Hey, don't.
Log
Oh.
versus Saw. The log always wins. For anybody watching this, Ian is not being his usual self. He is performing for the camera. He's not as usually this big of an idiot.
Man, shut up. I always swim in the lake during work.
It was more funny the first one.
All right, go ahead, creep.
So I creep. Yeah.
I'm not. There you go. Keep going. That's perfect. Keep going.
So I creep. Yeah.
Keep going.
Is that the whole fucking tree?
Keep going.
That's the whole fucking tree. Damn.
Keep going.
We're getting it done. That's the whole fucking tree.
Keep going.
Oh, shit, it happened again.
Ho!
I just removed it.
Yep, go ahead.
A few more hours, this should be removed.
Keep going. And ho! Ho, perfect.
Yeah.
Swamp logging. That, I know the title of this video.
It's about to break again.
No, you almost had it.
That shit's about to break again.
No, it ain't.
What I'm trying
All right, ho!
to say.
Ho! Keep going.
Man, that number's just coming straight at us.
Keep going. It's coming. Keep going. Oh!
And I cry through the night.
Gonna move those bags in that saw.
I got hate in my heart.
All right, get out of the way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. On ho, right there. Hey, come get this saw. Just kidding. Y'all boys must be hard up for work if y'all doing that shit.
No, it's just for the...
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, right there. In the world we must defend. Ah! Can you see me? Go ahead. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. 3 feet. All right, ho.
You don't fucking need me.
got one limb out there.
All right, brother. All right, man. Oh God, yeah.
Oh, that ain't cut.
That is disgusting.
1, 2, 3. Come on, Jack. 1, 2.
Come on, Russell. Oh, never mind.
1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Rock.
2, 3. How about I just go out there and cut it?
Hear me out. Let's not hire any more groundsmen that can't run a chainsaw.
How are we gonna do that?
Okay, now we can pull this way.
Okay. We might, there's that log in there. We might pull one more log, so leave it there, leave it there.
Man, are we ever gonna finish this job, dude? Cause I got some
Keep going,
receipts to file with my tax attorney.
keep going. And ho. Good job.
And ho, and ho.
Come on back now, y'all.
One log.
That's good right there.
One log this time. One log again.
All right, cut these motherfuckers into little bitty pieces of shit and we'll throw them in the trailer.
Let's use the dullest saw in history.
Man, Ian is not even that funny. You are funny.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Now you gotta apologize for offending me for talking about it.